learned what is chemical reaction, what is chemical equation, and how to balance a chemical equation. Now today we are going to take some example of how to balance a chemical equation, right? So coming to an example, when copper oxide reacts with water, when copper oxide reacts with water, it forms copper hydroxide, right? When copper oxide reacts with water, it forms copper hydroxide. Here you can see one element of carbon and one and two element of oxygen. So now we should write here like copper is in 1, oxygen 1 and 2. The number of oxygen is 2, number of hydrogen is 2, total 2, 2, 4, 1, 5. The reactant is equal to the product. So in this product, now count how many elements and atom or molecule are formed. So count, copper is 1, oxygen is 2 and hydrogen is 2. So total 5. So now here you can see that the reactants is equal to the formed product, right? The amount of number of atom or molecule present in reactants is equal to the number of element, molecule or atom in product. So this is called as balanced chemical equation. Now take another example. When magnesium ribbon burned with oxygen gas, it forms magnesium oxide, right? When magnesium ribbon burned with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. So now we have to balance this equation. This before arrow, the molecule atom present, that is called as reactants, right? In left hand side, the reactant is present, and after arrow or right hand side, the product is present, right? So now count how many molecule or atom present in reactants. So let's count. Magnesium, the number of magnesium is 1, the number of oxygen is 2. So total 2 and 1, 3. The total number of reactant is 3. Now coming to product, magnesium is 1, oxygen is 1. Let's total 1 and 1, 2. So here you can see that the total number of reactant is 3 and total number of product is 2. So now this reaction is in balance. So we have to balance this reaction. So what we do? We have to add some numbers before or after molecule, atom or element. So now when we take two elements of magnesium or two magnesium ribbon, the number of two magnesium ribbon reacts with or burned with oxygen gas, it forms two molecules of magnesium oxide. We can't write 2 here because magnesium oxide, when we write 2 after oxygen, it means the number of oxygen is 2, not number of magnesium, right? So we have to write 2 before magnesium oxide, right? So here 2 molecules of magnesium oxide. When number is written before a product, before a compound, it means this number is for magnesium and also for oxygen, right? So now count the number of reactants. Magnesium is 2, oxygen is 2, 2 or 2, total here 4. The number of magnesium is 2, the number of oxygen is 2. Now 2 to 4. So this reaction is correct, right? So in next video we will learn some more example of how to balance a chemical reaction. Thank you.